Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You must stop further contamination instantly. Put on nitrile gloves and avoid direct contact with the bullet. This preserves latent prints and trace evidence. Once done, photograph the item in its original position from multiple angles, then note time, location, and environmental details so the chain of custody is intact. Use a clean evidence tray or sterile paper to transfer the bullet. Make a single, deliberate movement to avoid smudging. These steps help investigators recover prints rather than destroy them. You will now package the item for transport without compromising prints. Wrap the bullet in clean, acid-free paper. Plastic can trap moisture and degrade residues. Once wrapped, place it into a labeled, breathable evidence envelope or box to prevent condensation and cross-contamination. Seal the container with tamper-evident tape and write your initials and time directly on the seal. Make sure to complete and attach an evidence form documenting every handoff. This preserves the legal integrity required for. You must contact law enforcement or the appropriate forensic unit immediately. Trained technicians should conduct fingerprint development. Do not attempt field cleaning, wiping, solvents, abrasives, or heating. These actions destroy latent prints and other trace evidence. Once the item is secured, note any observations about prints, visible residue, or damage, and keep the chain of custody unbroken until professionals take custody. If problems occur, such as accidental contact, report it on the evidence form so examiners can account for compromised areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.